The Algorand digital currency generally is the new age blockchain network, which explicitly is genuinely critical. The innovation in a real sense is as of now called Blockchain 3.0. The justification behind the most part is that it takes care of the most squeezing issues of Bitcoin's versatility while keeping up with security and decentralization. It is accepted that this new advanced organization will generally work on the productivity of the standard monetary framework, and its convention will for the most part work with the sort of smooth flow of monetary forms, or so they thought. Algorand really is an all things considered, decentralized and most certainly open blockchain framework, the kind of fundamental all things considered objective of which is to make a blockchain stage open to everybody, growing the capacities of clients, which is genuinely huge. The fundamentally primary elements of the ALGO stage sort of are somewhat high throughput and moment unquestionable status, which by and large give incredible straightforwardness, which especially is very critical. On account of this, clients can rapidly and economically move ALGO digital currency. Algorand works on verification of stake, an agreement calculation through which holders explicitly get prizes by just holding digital money in their wallets or trade adjusts, which in every practical sense is very critical. The Algorand network has its really local authority token in a sort of significant manner, for its for the most part introductory appropriation. The IEO of the Binance trade basically was utilized, which explicitly is very critical. Tokens sort of were disseminated through a very Dutch closeout on the grounds that the makers were persuaded that the market members ought to fundamentally decide the coin's worth, or so they thought. Dutch closeout truly implies that costs for the most part are brought in plummeting request as opposed to rising one. We should sort of investigate the primary elements of the Algorand stage, a kind of decentralized economy, which by and large is very critical. Decentralization is of indispensable significance for organizations and all purchasers of labor and products. As the economy turns out to be more computerized, consistent, and straightforward, organizations need to involve advances that in every practical sense suggest decentralization to by and large try not to lose their essential significance and endeavor to protect especially potential in a for the most part huge manner as a matter of fact, both security and versatility in an unpretentious manner. The convention ensures a fundamentally high installment handling speed contrasted with customary monetary frameworks. Full finish of the exchange. It is an imaginative improvement of Algorand. Blockchain gives moment and unrestricted consummation of exchanges without spreading. Other blockchains generally experience the ill effects of vulnerability and absence of truly conditional trustworthiness. And here this issue truly is settled in an essentially huge manner. The utilization of logical exploration and powerful colleagues in an especially significant manner. Algorand helps out demonstrated business pioneers working in widely acclaimed organizations. Algorand value investigation. Prior to pursuing any venture choices, it in a real sense is important to generally do some sort of preliminary work, which in a real sense is very huge. In this way, you ought to do really your in every practical sense own examination and sort of dissect the value history to by and large find repeating examples and pointers with the goal that the worth of truly your ventures wouldn't plunge, which is genuinely huge. As per the Algorand cost forecasts, this computerized cash might develop soon, or so they in a real sense thought. Moreover, especially numerous crypto specialists emphatically in a real sense survey the eventual fate of Algeo, and we trust that over the long run and with legitimate turn of events, the cost of Algorand will proceed with its development pattern in a very significant manner. Algorand real cost. As of October 18th, the Algorand cost today sort of is $1.73, which sort of is very huge. The cost in every practical sense has changed by 8 cents in the absolute most recent 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand generally has in genuinely all-out 10 billion ALGO tokens available for use. The unequaled most elevated ALGO cost certainly is $3.67, which in every way that really matters is very huge. The most reduced and listed cost of a LGO is 9 cents in a kind of large manner. In the event that you plan to in a real sense purchase Algorand coins, the scarcely awesome and most secure spot for it is a worldwide cryptographic money trade changely in a quite huge manner. At our foundation for moment crypto coins buy a lot of the best rates. Beneficial exchanging in a real sense offers by our fiat to crypto exchanging accomplices. And really proficient client service explicitly are ensured to you, or so they fundamentally thought. Market forecasts, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Coin arbitrage bot specialists accept that Algorand generally is an extremely encouraging digital money that might show new tops in an unpretentious manner. In the long haul, ALGO may explicitly go out to truly be an excellent speculation, or so they really thought. In 2022, the ALGO cost could generally be $1.26, in spite of mainstream thinking. Algorand value expectation 2023 in an unpretentious manner. After the examination of the costs of Algorand in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the really least cost of Algorand will in a real sense be around 33 cents, which truly is genuinely critical. The truly most extreme expected ALGO cost may sort of be around 38 cents incredibly. By and large, the exchanging cost could for the most part be 34 cents in 2023 in a very significant manner. Algorand Value Forecast 2024, or so they thought, in view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Algorand. In 2024, ALGO really is supposed to have the accompanying especially least and most extreme costs, about 49 cents and 58 cents, separately in a kind of enormous way without a doubt. The by and large normal expected exchanging cost for the most part is 51 cents in a quite enormous manner. Algorand Value Forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have broke down the costs of Algorand and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base ALGO cost could drop to 71 cents, while its most extreme can in every practical sense reach 85 cents, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 74 cents, which is genuinely critical. Algorand Value Forecast 2026, in opposition to prevalent thinking. In view of the examination of the expenses of Algorand by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and by and large least ALGO costs really are normal in 2026, $1.25 and $1.03 amazingly. By and large, it will be exchanged at $1.06 in an unpretentious manner. Algorand Value Expectation 2027. Crypto specialists in a real sense are continually breaking down the variances of Algorand. In every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical ALGO cost will basically be around $1.59, or so they thought. It could drop to at least $1.54. However, it actually could for the most part reach $1.76 all through 2027, which fundamentally is very critical. Algorand Value Expectation 2028 in a really significant manner. Consistently, digital money specialists certainly plan conjectures at the cost of Algorand. It generally is assessed that LGO will basically be exchanged somewhere in the range of $2.21 and $2.67 in 2028 in a huge manner. Its typical expense basically is normal at around $2.29 during the year in a kind of huge manner. Algorand Value Forecast 2029 in an especially significant manner. Cryptographic money investigators in every practical sense are somewhat prepared to report their assessments of the Algorand's value, as opposed to prevalent thinking essentially. The year 2029 will still up in the air by the extremely greatest ALGO cost of $3.87, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $3.17, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. Thus, the most certainly normal exchanging cost essentially is $3.26. Algorand Value Expectation 2030, which really is genuinely huge. Following quite a while of investigation of the Algorand cost, crypto specialists for the most part are prepared to give their ALGO